Hello everybody, it's March 2021 and Coupang, the South Korean e-commerce platform, got listed on the New York Stock Exchange with a market capitalization of $60 billion. This is the same company that was valued at $9 billion in 2018 and has just become the most valuable IPO after Alibaba's one. Almost everybody is calling it the South Korean Amazon, but this company is much more complex than that. I've heard a commentator saying that it's like having Amazon, DoorDash, and Instacart all in one. Something that has surprised almost everybody is the characteristic of their logistics. Coupang, in fact, offers a service of free delivery on every item, not just on a selection of their items, but every item if it is ordered before midnight.
So, an executive of ours had promised his son that they were going to go rollerblading together, for example, and on Friday he realized he hadn't bought the rollerblades. Because our Dawn delivery allows you to place an order as late as midnight and get it before 7 a.m., he placed an order for rollerblades before he went to bed. In the morning, it was waiting for him outside his door, and he was able to keep his promise.
The efficiency of its logistics is also possible because of the high density of the South Korean population and the relatively small area that they have to cover. But the result is that almost 70% of the South Korean population lives within 7 miles from a Coupang logistics center. They have also put in place an eco-friendly and convenient strategy, which is the one of using reusable packages.
Even packaging, Andrew, we've been able to eliminate additional box packaging on 75% of our shipments because of our end-to-end integration. And now we have eco bags for all our fresh, completely reusable bags that's gotten rid of disposable packaging, virtually all disposable packaging, even for fresh, because of our end-to-end integration. Our trucks, our rocket deliveries go through us. We pick up the reusable bags with our trucks that used to leave full and return empty.
Coupang also operates other businesses, including Rocket Fresh, a grocery delivery service, Coupang Eats, a food delivery service, Coupang Play, a streaming service, and Coupang Pay, a digital financial service. And what they call the stress-free delivery excites me so much.
Stress-free returns. Emily, if you leave a parcel out on Rocket, on our service, you don't have to put any packaging on it. You don't have to print out a label. Our drivers are in most apartment complexes multiple times a day. So, we pick it up promptly. And when we pick it up in front of your door, you're refunded immediately.
There are obviously many risks involved in investing in such a young company. One of them is the strong presence of its competitors. Competitors like Amazon that have very deep pockets. Amazon has tried to buy Coupang multiple times, always refused, and right now is investing or collaborating with companies in the South Korean market that are competitors of Coupang. The biggest South Korean search engine could be the next competitor of Coupang, because Naver also has its payment service and its e-commerce service. The company's biggest shareholders is SoftBank, which has 33% of the company. SoftBank invested $1 billion in Coupang back in 2015 and another $2 billion in 2018. Other major shareholders are Green Oaks Capital Partners, a global internet investment firm, Maverick Capital, an hedge fund, and Rose Park Advisors. Other major shareholders include BlackRock and a very early investor in this company, Bill Ackman.
When he did it, you had just been finished running that magazine, right?
That's right. Well, I was actually in business school at the time. I was dropping out after my first year.
The mission-driven culture of this company and the storytelling skills of its CEO, Bong Kim, are certainly good points of strength.
One of the things I really do want to highlight, that this is really a story of Korea. This is a country that had a GDP per capita of $79 in 1960, one of the poorest countries in the world. It now has become a top 10 economy globally. You know, the industry and the creativity of Korea has propelled the miracle of the Han River, and we're just part of that story. We're so proud to be part of that story today.